Our next cell organelle is lysosome. Lysosome is a cell organelle which can be seen with electron microscope only, and they contain various digestive enzymes in them. Discovery: the lysosome was discovered in 1956 by Novikov. Occurrence: the lysosomes, they are found in all the eukaryotic cells, particularly all the animal cells and the protozoans. But the RBCs, they lack lysosomes also, and they are also found in plant cells and fungi cells. But the number of lysosomes is less in plant cells in comparison to the animal cells. Let us discuss animal lysosomes. The number of animal lysosomes is abundant in WBCs. What is their morphology or the structure? They are spherical structures, and these spherical structures, they contain a variety of enzymes, and these enzymes are called acid hydrolases. A tiny sac which is bounded by a single unit membrane, and membrane is made up of lipoproteins, and it contains various enzymes, and these enzymes are called acid hydrolases. These acid hydrolases, they include proteases, that is protein digesting enzymes, lipases, fat digesting enzymes, nucleases, the nucleic acid digesting enzymes, that is RNA and DNA, glycosidases, sulfatases, and acid phosphatases. The various variety of enzymes, they are found inside the lysosomes. However, all the enzymes, they are not present in same lysosomes. There are different set of enzymes which are found in different lysosomes. The materials to be digested when they enter inside the cell, they are broken down by the enzymes into the simpler components by hydrolysis, means the substances which enter inside the lysosomes for their digestion or degradation, these combine with water, and in the presence of enzymes, they are converted into simpler substances. For example, if they are proteins, so proteins will combine with water in the presence of proteases, and they will get converted into amino acids. Lysosomes, they store hydrolyzing enzymes, और these they are bounded by a membrane. तो ये जो membrane है, ये इन enzymes को बाहर साइटोप्लाज्म में नहीं जाने देती, क्योंकि अगर ये साइटोप्लाज्म में जाएगी तो enzymes जाएंगे तो they will digest their own cell organelles. But in the injured or dead cells, अगर if a cell is injured or a cell organelle is died, so then these lysosome membranes, then they rupture, they release the digestive enzymes, and they dissolve the died or the worn out or the weakened cells, and this process is called post-mortem degeneration. Now, the lysosomes, they are of various types. Primary lysosome. Primary lysosome is a lysosome which contains digestive enzymes only. Secondary lysosomes, when some material to be digested enters inside the primary lysosome, then it is called secondary lysosome. And then we have a residual body. Or what is residual body? The substance has entered, the substance to be digested, it has entered the lysosome. इसके ऊपर क्या होगा? एंजाइम एक्शन होगा, it will be digested. The products of digestion they will be given out into the cytoplasm. और क्या रह जाएगा इसमें? लाइसोसोम के अंदर क्या बचेगा? Only the unrequired undigested substance which needs to be removed from the cell, and this is called the residual body. That is, it contains the indigestible material, and this is known as the residual body or tertiary lysosome. Then there are various autophagic vesicles. Autophagic vesicles क्या होती हैं? कि अगर suppose a cell, it digests its own cell organelles like a mitochondria or endoplasmic reticulum. If it is not in working condition or it dies, so then the many lysosomes, they will join together and they will form a large lysosome, and they will burst around that cell organelle, and it will help in the digestion uh, of the complete cell. And sometimes the organelles, they also enter the cell and they are digested. Now, the next is plant lysosomes. Plant lysosomes, in addition to containing various enzymes, plant lysosomes, they contain reserve food material also. There are three types of plant lysosomes, that is spherosomes. Spherosomes, they store lipids and some proteins. They are found in endosperm cells of the plants. And the next is alluron grains. Alluron grains, they are the lysosomes which store proteins and phosphates in addition to the enzymes. And there are vacuoles. Vacuoles, they are the rounded sac which are bounded by a unit membrane, but they have very little internal structure, but they contain variety of enzymes. So these are the different types of lysosomes found in plants.